Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and doing your studies at your home. So this is your subject teacher of science from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazaar, Gorakhpur. So my dear students, I am here again with an explanation of new chapter number 14, Light and Shadow from your science textbook. So my dear students, in today's class, we are going to discuss about new chapters. So without wasting your time, take out your science book and your pencil eraser along with you. So my dear students, today's topic is very important because we are going to study about light and shadow, and light is the most important topic for all the classes. Okay? So first of all, as you know that in your previous classes you had already studied about light. So what is light? Light is what helps us to see. Without light, we can't see any object. So light makes object visible. If there is no light, everything will be in darkness. Okay, so light is very important part of our life. Okay, so students, first of all, our first topic is sources of light. So what do you know about the sources of light? The students, object that give us light are the sources of light. Okay, and based on sources of light, it can be categorized or classified into two parts, that is luminous objects and non-luminous objects. So in today's class we are going to discuss about these sources of light. Okay, so all of you look here. First topic is luminous object. So what are luminous objects? That means objects that have their own light. Okay, like for example the sun. Sun has its own light. Similarly, like sun, the star also has its own light. That means sun and the star are luminous object. Okay. Next is non-luminous object. Okay. So non-luminous objects are the objects that do not have light their own. Okay, for example, the moon. But now you have question, or the question arises in your mind is that moon has light, but moon has not their own light. Moon reflect the light of the sun, and after that we will see the moon in the sky. Okay, so students, there are other example of non-luminous objects that are, what is this? This is a chalk. This is also a non-luminous object. But why? Think and answer me. Because it do not give light. Okay. For example, your green board. Is this a luminous object? No. It is non-luminous object because it has no light. Similarly, in your classroom, your desk, window, fan, and this wall also. At your home, you have so many things. Your book. Is it luminous or non-luminous? Yes, it will be non-luminous objects. So I hope it is clear to you, and you will be able to identify the luminous and the non-luminous object. So this was the difference between the two sources of light, and I hope you understood it. Okay? So students, in this topic you studied about the sources of light. That is luminous and non-luminous objects. Okay, now students, all of you look at page number 164. There is an exercise, right? And for natural sources of light and as for human-made sources of light. So students, in this exercise, some pictures are given in your book. Look at your book, everyone. First picture is of glow worms. So students, glow worm is natural things, okay, and it has its own light. That means it is a natural source of light. So in the given box you will write and, okay, like this. Okay, next is candle. So students, candle is natural or human made? It is human made. So that's why you will write there H. Okay, and next is earthen light. That means diya. So it is human made or human source of light. So there you will be write H. Okay. In next or the last picture, this picture is of the sun. So sun is the natural source of light. Okay, so there you will be right and on the given box. Is that clear? Okay, so that's it for today. In our next class, we will discuss about some other topics and exercises related to this chapter. Now students, you have to read this chapter carefully with their hard words and don't forget to underline the hard words. That's it for today. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Thank you students.